Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll show you how to add end screen on YouTube using your Android or iPhone device. So now, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more tutorials and watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any part. It's actually very simple and straightforward. So now let's jump right into the video. So head over to your default browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome browser app. So I'll go here to the application. And here I'm on my YouTube channel. So what you need to do in order to see your YouTube studio this way, you just need to tap on the three dots. And if you have any problems, let me know in the comment section. And if you tap here, you just need to enable desktop side. Now you might ask yourself why we're doing this. Is because we want to add end screen. But if we're using the Android mode, then we aren't going to have any option to add end screen, so that's why we're enabling desktop side. So now go to a video. I'll go to the first one. Okay, tap on that video that you want to add end screen, and from here, as you can see, we have the option to add end screen. So tap on end screen now, choose the layout and tap on save. Now you can move obviously the layout, you can add different elements, you can do a lot more. Okay, now tap on save, and that's pretty much how to add end screen on YouTube using your Android or iPhone device. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.